Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Meat tenderizer. Transform tough cuts into tender meals. Even $8 steaks taste gourmet now. My guests are amazed. 48-blade meat tenderizer break fibers deeply, ensuring perfect flavor absorption every time you cook. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel tool for lasting use. Built like a tank, still perfect after hundreds of uses. Weighted design delivers optimal pressure with a comfortable, secure grip. The detachable design rinses clean in seconds. Just pop it apart, quick wash done. No food gets trapped. Dishwasher-safe components. Eliminate scrubbing for proper hygiene after use. Unlike Jacket. Creates channels for marinades to penetrate deeper all. Overnight flavor in just 30 minutes. Game changer for weeknight cooking. Seasonings reach the core for juicier, tastier meals. Food warming mat. Precise temperature timing control. As an electric food warming mat with 9-level temperature control and 6-level timing control, it precisely warms food. It features quick SIXS heating and low 0.33 kilowatt-hour energy use, acting like a TempMaster adjustable warming tray. Easy-to-use store. The rollable design of this electric warming mat for food makes it convenient for storage. With a locking function by pressing and holding and 13mm foot pads to protect countertops, it's a great food warming mat for countertop use. Durable, easy to clean. This silicone warming mat for food is water-resistant, stain-resistant, and oil-drop-resistant, having an easy-to-clean surface, just like other quality food warming mats. Kitchen knife set. High-quality knife set. High-quality stainless steel kitchen knife set is durable and rust-resistant for longer and more frequent use. All-in-one kitchen knife set. 15-piece knife set includes 8 chef's knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear, knife block with built-in knife sharpener. Sharp knife set. The knives are carefully tuned for maximum sharpness for fast food cutting. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Perfect gift, all black knife set. Elegant and beautiful. Suitable for gifts, home. We provide warranty for each customer. Please feel free to buy. Potento ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker, yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Easy cleanup, top rack dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. And with its non-stick material, the spuds will simply slide off. Any food residue is easily rinsed off with running water. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Digital kitchen timer. Kitchen timers with big buttons, large digital display, loud buzzer, and clean bright look, battery not included. Clear and loud alarm. You will easily be able to hear this alarm in another room, and the alarm will stop auto after 30 seconds when you're busy. Cooking timer with strong magnetic back 2.0 retractable stand and hook for hanging. Can be positioned in variety of locations like table, refrigerator, dry erase board, and wall hooks. Maximum time is 99 minutes 59 seconds. Meet the need of home perfectly. You can save the battery with on-off switch. Memory setting. You do not need to set the count's own time every time. It will remember your last time, and you only need to press ST/SP button. Manual can opener. Strong and powerful stainless steel blade. Finally, a more powerful can opener. Sharp and durable 100% stainless steel cutting wheel will easily puncture all types of cans. Rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Heavy-duty construction for easier opening. Effortless can opening is here. The can opener features an extra large turn knob that allows you to easily open the can with little effort, so you work with the motion instead of against it. Also includes stainless steel construction for a seamless cut and oversized handles that make for an easier grip. Extra smooth cut. The can opener easily latches to the lip of your cans and locks securely in place to help provide a clean, smooth, continuous cut. Measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, and 1 cup, and 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, and 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs for cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups are made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon is made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. The stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cup set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon has engraved clearly the size mark. No more guests in the kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluck offers 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Bench scraper. Thickened stainless steel. This bench scraper is made of thickened stainless steel, non-reactive, rust-free, hygienic, and durable. Heavy duty. Precision beveled edge. Made of knife-grade steel, the edge is beveled precisely. Balanced sharpness is convenient for scraping and cutting. Firm grip. Ergonomic and comfortable non-slip wooden handle. Great for scraping up food ingredients to easily transfer to a mixing bowl or for cleaning your work surface. Measuring inch marking scale. For precise measuring while cooking or grilling. Griddle scraper bench knife. Also perfect for barbecue and grill, as well as for cast iron griddle or flat top cooking as griddle grill accessories for your home kitchen or backyard barbecue. Great as a gift. Meat chopper. Heart with ribbon. You should know we are so confident you'll think we have the best meat masher on the market that we make every order with a full money-back guarantee. So try our meat chopper tool. Heart with ribbon, easy to use mash by pressing blades into cooked food until desired consistency is achieved. Angled blades scrape the sides of bowls and pots while mixing and mashing. Heart with ribbon, easy to clean, anti-dirt design. The ground hamburger chopper can be cleaned easily in the sink or dishwasher. Salad spinner. Quick push and one-handed operation salad spinner. Press the handle. The inner basket will rotate smoothly and stable at high speed, so it will separate and remove water from greens in seconds. It works equally well for left and right-handed users. Excellent design of vegetable spinner. A quick brake button allows for an immediate stop. The foldable pump handle for easy storage. The widened anti-slip silicone ring at the bowl helps the spinner stay stable during operation and protects the tabletop from getting scratched. Fully transparent design. High-quality plastic to make the whole salad spinner completely transparent. Not only is it convenient for you to see if all the water in the greens has been drained, but it is also a beautiful piece of kitchen art.